Welcome, scholars, to the 2018-2019 school year at Compass Charter Schools. Whether you're returning to CCS or a new scholar with us, we are excited to have you on board as part of our educational family. My name is Erin Smith, and I am the Director of Online Learning. I've been an educator for over 15 years, and I'm starting my 6th year at CCS. As we launch into the 2018-2019 school year, there are a few important details that I want to highlight before you get started. We're going to take a look at our mission and vision. I'm going to share with you how to get started. And lastly, include links for accessing our website with additional scholar and learning coach resources. First, I'd like to share with you our CCS mission and vision. At Compass, this is a large part in all that we do. Our mission statement is to inspire and develop innovative, creative, self-directed learners, one scholar at a time. Our vision is to create a collaborative virtual learning community, inspiring scholars to appreciate the ways in which arts and sciences nurture a curiosity for lifelong learning and prepare scholars to take responsibility for their future success. First, if not already, you will be receiving a welcome email from your supervising teacher. At CCS, your supervising teacher is your go-to teacher. He or she can help point you and your family in the right direction to access resources, monitor your attendance, and is also your overall cheerleader here at Compass. For our 6th through 12th grade families, you will also have content teachers for each of the courses you are enrolled. These are the subject matter experts that are able to assist you with any questions you have on your coursework, curriculum, and/or any assignments. You should have also received your scholar email account information from our IT department. To sign into your email, visit gmail.com and log in using your first name dot last name at scholars.compasscharters.org. in addition to your initial password, which will be your first name, 12345. Once you sign in to your CCS email account, you will be prompted to change the password to something more secure. If at any time you are having problems signing into your Gmail account or you did not receive your account information, please submit a ticket to our Zoho help desk. Now that you can log in to your CCS Gmail account, it's time to visit the Parent Scholar portal. Here at CCS, we use StrongMind as our learning management system and the Parent Scholar portal, or PSP for short. The PSP is where scholars will access their courses, communicate with teachers and school staff, and access other important school information. I would highly suggest bookmarking this site if you haven't already done so. Learning coaches, you too have access to our PSP. Use your email as your username and get access to track and monitor your scholar's progress. To log in to the PSP and access your courses, please visit startcompass.org. Prior to accessing your classes, we have a couple of videos we'd like for you to watch. First, take a look at the features of the PSP by watching the video on the PSP. It will walk you through all of the features of the Parent Scholar portal. As a learning coach, the PSP will be your favorite part. It is truly the hub to your school where you can access your courses, view any teacher announcements, and stay in touch with everything CCS. Next, and prior to accessing your classes, please watch the short Compass Charter Schools orientation. It will help both scholars and learning coaches acclimate to their online learning platform. If you are having any problems logging in, please reach out to your supervising teacher. I invite you to reach out to any of us on our online team should you need any support. As you embark on your 18-19 school year, I wish you much success at Compass Charter Schools. Thank you and have a fantastic year.